what is the benefit of learning the Sandeepany course?
This is the important question, and thank you for asking. All the youngsters who wanted to get a higher vision of life, more clarity, more thinking, they all should join Sandeepany. Why? Because it empowers you. First of all, it gives you tremendous clarity about life. There's a lake in northeastern where you can see the bottom of the lake, Dal Lake or something. Where it's not Dal Lake, some other Shillong Mein. I went there also. You can see the bottom. That clarity of water. The boat is going, but then you can see the bottom stones also. I traveled there and all. That is the clarity you will get about life in Vedanta. Number one. Then second is, Vedanta, if you study, it will give you a greater vision. Not only for yourself, for the people what to do and country and all that. It's a great vision you will get. And it will give you a great inspiration. Really understand Vedanta? It inspires you to live that life. And what happens? Inspiration is such that it is infectious. If you are so inspired, and people around you will get that energy.
True.
They can't but get inspiration. Even if they don't want, as Gurudev say, all those who are hesitatingly standing also are swept across by the currents of this great wisdom of water, energies of the inspiration energy. They are also carried away. So Vedanta helps you. And then after Sandeepany training, so you have three things. You will understand fully this one, then you will grow, and then you will share.
Understand, grow and share. Wonderful.
This is the three important things which you learn in Vedanta, in Sandeepany. And then once you grow, and I'll always tell you one thing, that you stand in society as a great inspiration, a pillar of inspiration to people, wherever you work. Not that necessarily everyone should become monk. That is not the idea. But Vedanta helps you. So you can get trained. Some people also go back. They say, okay, I may not be in a position to take up monk life, but I'll go back. So okay, go back. But then they work. The inspiration for that.
Yes.
That is it. So understand, grow and share. This is the importance of Vedanta.
Swamiji, Sandeepany sadhana sounds very, very interesting. And you have told us that the brahmacharis are living amongst people and teaching them this. So how does a regular layperson or a grihast benefit from this vidya?
See, remember, what are the fundamental problems of in a family or human being? Fundamental problems are, the basic problem is what? That we don't know how to live life. In terms of relationships, in terms of clarity, in terms of vision, and values, and how to support children, how to support family members. And then totally, actually, it's called a total mess. If you don't have this knowledge, it's a mess. I know everyone lives without ideal, without goal, direction and all that. So, what is the primary role is, first and foremost thing is that awaken pride in everyone that they belong to Rishivish. Santati, Santan, continuity. We are the children of Rishis. And who are Rishis? Oh my God. We need not talk about them. It's a great, unfolded beings. They are all great, mighty beings. So that pride is missing first. That I belong to that continuity. Number one. So how to awaken that pride? By introducing them to Indian scriptures.
Okay.
Look, these are the things. These are the things. That's how we talk about, that our system is now deliberately, some people have eliminated all these things, and that is now creating problems. We cannot teach certain things. But we have to. So the scriptures like Ramayana, Mahabharata, Upanishads, Bhagavad Gita, Smriti, Shruti, everything, Puranas, contain all the things that are required to manage life. I can speak authoritatively because it contains so much of treasure. All the you call management, you call whatever you call, everything is available in this.
True.
So when the Brahmacharya, Brahmacharini teach, and one more thing, we have different wings also. So Gurudev started children Balvihars, Yuva Kendra, Devi groups, study groups. And then, this bhajan group also started in a couple of years back, about nearly 15 years, 20 years back.
Okay.
Swaranjali. Then we have Vanaprastha group also, old people.
Okay.
So when all the age groups, Gurudev said, go and address them, empower them, teach them values. So there are, in fact, a family living the values of spirituality is always a happy and blissful family.